Hello, and welcome back to Industry Insider. I'm your host, Maddie Kiley. On this week's episode of Industry Insider, we speak to Michel Martineau, Vice President of Claims at Desjardins Insurance, on how collision repair claims have changed amid COVID-19 and how auto body facilities can ensure survival post-pandemic.
The pandemic has brought on a rise in popularity in photo estimation. What are Desjardins' thoughts on this process?
It's something that is clearly now a reality. A few years back, it was something that was more kind of a vision of the future, but it's something that we now do with our body shop network and internally. So Desjardins is providing the opportunity for clients since more than a year now, the ability to do photo-based estimating. So with the use of our app, they are accompanied so that they have all the steps to take the right pictures and so on. And so we do provide that ability to do that. And it's really appreciated by clients. And of course, the pandemic has just raised the need for solution and IT solution like those ones.
Of course, there is some drawbacks with photo estimation. Do you have any thoughts on any of the drawbacks? Any concerns?
I would say that of course, now we're talking about photo-based estimating in that case, but photo estimation is something that is a reality with imagery, image desk, and so on since a long time now. I would say the major drawback sometimes is really the quality of the pictures that are taken. So sometimes we need to have additional pictures so that we can ensure that we're making the right assessment of the amount of damages. Other than that, I would say technology nowadays is becoming so good that there's no major drawback. It's something that is there to stay. And honestly, I think that we see more and more high level of accuracy using those kind of technologies.
Do you think photo estimation will be the new norm post-pandemic? Like every collision repair facility will start using it?
I would say it's certainly going to move into that direction for sure. I would say at the same time, we want to be considerate of the client needs and the way they want to be taken care of. So, of course, it's for sure going to become the norm. For me, it's clear like that. At the same time, we want to adjust. And when there's the need and the client situation requires it, we need to also be there to do it more the traditional way, I would say that.
Do you think that you'd be more inclined to work with a facility with photo estimation procedures in place?
In 2020, I would say yes. I think it's something that is really important, that needs to be as part of the equipment, as part of the process, and so on. Yes, I would say absolutely yes.
Thanks for tuning in to Industry Insider. Be sure to subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, and Google Play Music for new episodes every week.